The death of Prophet Sulaiman. The death of Prophet Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, is among the most profound and symbolic events recorded in the Qur'an, carrying deep lessons about power, humility, the unseen, and the absolute authority of Allah over all creation. Prophet Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, the son of Prophet Dawud, may blessings be upon him, was chosen by Allah not only as a prophet but also as a king whose dominion surpassed that of any ruler before or after him. Allah granted him wisdom beyond measure, the ability to understand the language of animals, command over the jinn, control of the wind, and mastery over a vast and disciplined army made up of humans, jinn, and birds. Despite these extraordinary blessings, Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, remained deeply humble, frequently thanking Allah and recognizing that all power belonged to him alone. Throughout his reign, Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, ruled with justice and balance. He established law, punished wrongdoing, and encouraged worship of Allah alone. The jinn under his command were tasked with heavy labor, constructing great buildings, fortresses, palaces, statues before such images were prohibited, and vast architectural works that no human workforce could complete. They worked under strict supervision, for Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, enforced Allah's commands firmly and fairly. As Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, grew older, Allah decreed that the time had come for his soul to return to its creator. On the day of his death, Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, was standing upright, leaning on his staff, overseeing the jinn as they worked. Some scholars mention that he was engaged in worship, while others state he was supervising construction, both reflecting his constant devotion to Allah and responsibility toward his duties. When the angel of death came by Allah's command, Sulaiman's soul was taken gently. Yet his body remained standing, supported by the staff in his hand. From the outside, nothing appeared to have changed. His posture, authority, and silence caused no suspicion among the jinn. They continued their labor, believing their king was still alive and watching them. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Some narrations suggest this state lasted a very long time. The jinn, fearing Sulaiman's authority, did not dare stop working or question his silence. They toiled relentlessly, believing that any negligence would be noticed and punished. During this period, Allah was demonstrating a powerful truth, not to humans alone but to the jinn themselves. Eventually, Allah caused a tiny creature of the earth, a termite or woodworm, to begin eating away at the staff upon which Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, leaned. Slowly and unnoticed, the staff weakened. When it could no longer support his body, it broke and Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, fell to the ground. At that moment, the reality became clear to all. Prophet Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, had been dead for a long time. The jinn were struck with shock and humiliation. Allah revealed this event in the Quran to expose a false belief widely held among people, that jinn possessed knowledge of the unseen. Had the jinn truly known the unseen, they would have known of Sulaiman's death and freed themselves from prolonged hardship. Allah says in the Quran, "Then when we decreed death for him, nothing indicated to them his death except a creature of the earth eating his staff. And when he fell, the jinn realized that if they had known the unseen, they would not have remained in humiliating punishment." Quran 34 verse 14. This event shattered the illusion of the jinn's hidden knowledge and affirmed a central Islamic belief. Knowledge of the unseen belongs to Allah alone. Neither prophets, angels, nor jinn possess it except what Allah chooses to reveal. The death of Prophet Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, also stands as a reminder of the temporary nature of worldly power. A king who commanded the wind, ruled over nations, and controlled supernatural beings still succumbed to death just like any other servant of Allah. His silent passing showed that greatness is not measured by authority or dominion, but by obedience, gratitude, and submission to Allah. Even in death, Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, fulfilled Allah's wisdom. His final moment became a lesson that echoed through generations, teaching humanity to reject superstition, avoid reliance on the unseen claims of jinn or magicians, and place trust solely in Allah. The story of the death of Prophet Sulaiman, may blessings be upon him, the ultimate truth of existence, that Allah alone is the all-knowing, the all-powerful, and that every soul, no matter how mighty, will return to him. If you find this interesting, kindly subscribe to support this page for more.